Next, in Python, we are going to design a simple calculator. So for that, here I am taking a variable a equals to. Now in Python, we used to take input with the help of inbuilt function input. We are taking input with this. So here I am giving a statement, enter the value for a. So this way we used to take input. So this is inbuilt function. Whenever we are taking input with this inbuilt method, inbuilt function, it is going to take, it will consider this as string. So if we want integer input, so we have to typecast it. So here I'm putting, as I want integer variable, so I'm putting int here. So now whatever value will come in a will not be a string, it will be a integer. Next I'm taking b equals to, again we want it in integer form, so we have to put int, then input, enter the value for variable b. So we have taken value for a and b and both are in integer form. Now we have to do addition. So print a plus b. So we have to save it and then we'll run it. So here we can see that it is asking us enter the value of a. I'm giving here 14. Yeah. Here I'm giving 14. Enter the value of b, again I'm giving here 15. So it has given addition of two numbers is 29.